Dan, the Marketing Man Moskal here, and in this WordPress video tutorial we are going to add AdSense on our WordPress website, and we're going to add this into the footer area of this website. As you can see, we have it displayed here on the right sidebar. We also have it displayed directly below our content, and then we're going to add it in the footer area down here. One of the things I want to share with you too, in case this is the first time you're checking this out, we have a whole bunch of WordPress videos. We're going to include a link to the full playlist in the description below. We really want to simplify a lot of this stuff for you. And so let's go ahead, and the very first step is to create a new ad unit. And this is within Google AdSense, which is a great way to monetize your existing website content. So the very first thing you have to do is create a name, and we're going to use one just that says footer down at the bottom. And so this is the way it goes now with AdSense. In case you're unfamiliar, we can do 3 regular image ads like this, and I don't think image is really even the right word, but you can also add the text ads in that show up in blue. They're just the words. But for this one, if you're curious about that, click on this button right here, view example ad sizes and types, and we're going to click, this is the actual size, we're going to do 300, or rather we'll do 250 by 250. I'm sorry, we're going to do 300 by 250. This is like a medium rectangle. It's just kind of like a square. Text and display ads is what you want, what I would encourage you to start with. As you become more familiar, you might want to choose one. I actually use both of them on all of my ads. And then the custom channel is actually your URL. You don't have to assign a custom channel, but we are. And then down here we can pick the style and the color of our ad. You can change it, of course. We're going to use the default one. We're going to click Save and Get Code. We're going to take this code, and we're going to copy this code, and make sure that you close this box out too. Now we're going to go back over to our WordPress website. We have that code copied. We're going to go over to the appearance on the left side. We're going to scroll on down to widgets, and we're going to add a blank HTML text. I think it's just a text, arbitrary text or HTML, and we're going to add that in the footer 3 area. Occasionally, and depending on what theme you have, you may need to test around and move some of these things around to put it exactly where you want it. Footer 3, we're going to click Save, and now once we save, it's not going to show up right away, but we ought to see a blank space there. And last time I timed it, it took about 8 minutes before the advertisements showed up, because Google does great. They're going to come and look at our website and essentially see what our website's about. With this website, it's dating advice, and then they're going to take advertisers who want to advertise on websites about dating advice, and they're going to show, so you have relevant ads, if that makes sense. Like we would have dating sites or something, or Geico, which is kind of broad mass appeal, everybody needs car insurance, and we don't see it right away. Like I said, it'll take just a few minutes. Check out one of the other videos here coming up, or the next video. We have a whole bunch of WordPress tutorial stuff. We'll have it up here in just a moment. It takes just a couple of minutes really. And it must be showing a blank space because there wasn't so much space down here below. If you have any worry, or if there's, for some reason we did something wrong, we'll let you know in the future. It could be the wrong size, but I'm confident that we have to give it just a few minutes. Make sure your WordPress super cache is turned off if you have a cache enabled, and if you're using search engine optimization or have been trying to, or have ever been passed along the less than accurate road to how that actually works, please visit danmoskaluniversity.com. We're creating a free report that we're going to give away here on Monday, January 27th. We're going to give it away for quite a while. We're really focusing on some of the SEO here coming up as we've gone through our WordPress stuff, and we are here to answer some of your questions, so please don't hesitate to ask. Again, that's danmoskaluniversity.com. If you have any specific questions or comments, please leave them below. You can also find our books over at iTunes, Barnes & Noble, Audible.com, and of course Amazon and on the Kindle, including our most recent book, Video Marketing for Entrepreneurs. Again, this is Dan Moskal. Please visit danmoskaluniversity.com. Let us know if we can help you with some things. Check out our full WordPress playlist, and please subscribe to our channel so you can get all the details coming up with this SEO and our training. And we're going to do quite a few training events here, including we're going to create a WordPress website here probably the beginning of March and really walk you through all that if you're interested in seeing it from A to Z. And we're going to really start building out a SEO playlist here in this coming week and 3 and even after that. So we've been doing this stuff full time since 2006, earning quite an affluent income. And let's just check this real quick and see if the advertisement is showing up yet. Not yet. So like I said last time, it just takes a few minutes, so it will be only a matter of time. Again, this is Dan Moskal, and looking forward to talking to you soon.